guys, it's Amber. So I just got a squishy package, and of course it had to say opening video. Of course. But yeah, let's open this. How else would I get stick that. Alright. Okay, well, yeah. Okay. So I can already see. This is what I see. I think this is the invoice. I mean, no. Yeah, it must be an invoice. If you... Let me read this first. Hello Kitty powdered sugar donut, £4. Macaroon, dark pink, £3.50. Ice cream, strawberry, £3. Chocolate cake roll, £4. Willow cream burger, £5. Blushing pancakes, £2.50. Oh! Also 2 extra. So if you want to read this, just pause. Here we go. Oh. So yeah, hopefully you've read that. Yeah, let's actually open it. Right, I'm just gonna get them out randomly. Okay, so first, I'll let you see. I didn't order this, so this must be an extra. It's this cute little cat. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, my mini impression. But yes, thank you so much. And it is squishy. Doesn't matter. And it is really squishy. So yeah, thank you so much. And I didn't tell you where I got this from, but I got this from Sassy Squisheys. Next one. Okay. Did I just knock everything out? It's my little umbrella. Here is the tag. And it's like this gold. Really cool umbrella. Oh my god. Super slow rising. You ready? You ready? Oh, yes. And, oh god. That costed this much. Yeah, really cool burger. That one. But yeah, forget these. Okay, I already seen this one. But it's mini blushing pancakes. Here is the tag. It's got a cat on it saying ha. But yeah, this, and it's like red. But yeah, we got some blushing pancakes. And there's 3 of them. I thought there was just like 1. But no, pancakes. It's actually really soft. But it doesn't really pick up because I can't explain. But yeah. I thought I was just seeing a defect then. But no. Yes, I do. But that's fine. It So this costed £2.50, and they're only mini. I want to see the jumbo ones. Don't know what I'm doing. I'm just looking around. Oh. So yeah, blushing pancakes. Next. Can you see? Oh, this must be an extra book. Is it like sushi? There's something in it! It says some sort of cracker. Doesn't look like one. But it's a cracker. What is this? I'm just about paint. Thank you so much. And it is still really soft. Thank you so much. These are the extras, because it says 2 extras. These must be the extras. Right, moving on. Ice cream. Ice cream strawberry, £3. Looks like this. Yep. And I got the strawberry. There was a vanilla that was sold out, of course. But the strawberry looks really good. And it's like 2 scoops. Can't see that. Yeah. It's really soft. Oh my god. Oh. It's a macaroon. I gotta hurry up. But she told me this was dense. So that's why it says, where does it say? Macaroon, dark pink. She did. It was £3.50, but she gave it me for £3 because she told me it was really dense. And the others were squishy, but she picked them out randomly. And it's got white filling. Yep. And it's got like whipped cream, jelly, and a chocolate thing. And it's got a silver strap. It's filled. Really sticky. Here's what it came in. Beep. Just scan it. Alright. Thank you for that. Finally. Oh, here's my chocolate cake slice. Yeah. With vanilla icing. Here's the tag. Got a cute little bear on. Yeah, and it's got a little shimmery star. The gold. It's got this cute little butterfly. Yeah. Take it out. Because it's just a baggie. Oh. My god. So soft. Ah. You don't even understand. Is that... Oh, that must be paint then. Because I don't know. It looks like brown on camera, but it's actually white. Oh. Back in your face. Okay. Well, thank you for that. Oh god. Okay. Yep. I believe these were scented. I never really... Oh, it smells like vanilla. We still got some more. Hello Kitty, licensed. Hello Kitty powdered sugar donut. Powdered sugar. And this did have a lot of defects in, so it says Hello Kitty powdered sugar donut, £4, but Shirley gave it me for £3 because she said it had defects, like here, rippage. But apart from that, everything is fine, and there's some defects on the licensing. Yeah, that's why she gave it me a bonus. Here's the tag. I know, I already know about. Yeah, but it's super slow rising. Ah. Yep, and I got the red bow. I don't think there is any other colours. If there is, I don't know that. But yeah, I got this. Let me put it back in the baggie. Oh, I just smelled inside the bag. Right, and that's it. Nothing else. But this is what I got. I can't carry all this. I got more. Thank you so much, Sassy Squisheys. But I normally do website shopping, but this was store envy. Yeah, the store is Sassy Squisheys, just Sassy Squisheys, but you say Squisheys, like squish eyes, but that doesn't make sense. Stay there. That bag smelled horrible. Okay. Okay. You say the name like this. Let me write this down. I don't care about my handwriting. You say it like Sassy, it's spelled right, Sassy. No, Squishies, it's like squish and then EYS. Squish and then EYS. Yeah. So yeah, that's what was in the package. My squishy bin is downstairs, so that doesn't help. To love my amber bracelet. I made it myself. But thank you so much. And I hope you buy from her. But she only has like 2 things on her website because I bought them all. Yeah, peace out, Girl Scout, and bye.